Now let's start with another topic, that is another standard units of volume. So till now we have studied that there are units like cubic meter or a meter cube in volume. But now we are going to study some more units of it. For example, we have 1 cubic meter we have already studied. Then we have 1 barrel. Then we have 1 cubic foot. We have 1 cubic decimeter. Now this and this might not be asked to you in examination, but this might be asked to you in examination. This comes in many examples also. जब क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेट करना होता है तो वो क्वेश्चन को ऐसे प्लॉट किया जाता है कि उसमें यूनिट को क्यूबिक डेसीमीटर में पूछा जाता है. So at that time you have to remember that 1 cubic decimeter is equals to 0.001 cubic meter and it is equal to 1 liter. Liter is as though not needed, but you only have to remember is cubic meter. Cubic meter is the standard unit. So you have to understand that 1 cubic decimeter is equals to 0.001 cubic meter. This might be asked to us in few illustrations. इसलिए mentioned है यहाँ पे. Gallon, pint, cubic inch, cubic centimeter is also asked sometimes. Cubic inch, pint and gallon are not asked as such. And liter is also not asked. The only common ones are cubic meter and cubic decimeter. Sometimes they ask and it's not always. Next, let's move on to illustration. Find the volume in cubic meter of each of the following cuboids whose dimensions are given: this, breadth and height. In this, they're asking you to mention the volume only in cubic meter. So we are going to solve it as it is because there is no need to change it to any unit. So length, breadth and height are given. We just need to find the volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. Length is 10, breadth is 8 and height is 2.5. 10 into 8 into 2.5 is 25 upon 10. This gets cancelled. 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16, 20. Then we have 200 cubic meter, or this can also be written as what? Meter cube. Both the units are same. So the volume of this cubical box or cuboidal shape is what? 200 cubic meter. Next is find the volume in cubic decimeter. We just now studied how to convert a cubic meter into decimeter. So we will be doing it of the cubes whose side is given in meter. अब side meter में दिया और निकालना में cubic decimeter में, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले volume निकाल लेते हैं मीटर क्यूब में, फिर उसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे क्यूबिक डेसीमीटर में. So 1.5 meter is its side. So let us find the volume. Volume is equals to what? Side into side into side. 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. What you have to do is 12 into 12 into 12. We can do 12 into 12 into 12 upon 1000. So this is nothing but 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12. 8 8 2 4 4 1. 8 12 6 7 1 7 2 8. So we have 1728 upon 1000. Or we can also write it as 1.728 cubic meter. But now we have to write it in cubic decimeter. So we have studied in the chart that 1 cubic decimeter equals to 0.001 cubic meter. This means 1 cubic decimeter equals to 0.001 cubic meter. We have the dimension in cubic meter. So we will write it here, 200 cubic meter. No, not exactly this. We have to 1 cubic decimeter equals to 0.001 cubic meter. Now we have to convert this dimension this dimension 1.728 cubic meter to decimeter. So what are we going to do? We can do cross multiplication also. So this becomes 1728 cubic meter is equals to this into x, x into 0.001. X is nothing but the dimension in cubic decimeter. So x equals to what? 1.728 upon 0.001. So this is nothing but 1728 upon 1000 into 1 upon 1000. So in cubic decimeter it is equal to 1728 cubic decimeter. This is how we change the unit. It is also necessary, जब questions में mentioned हो कि आपको cubic decimeter में ही calculate करना है, तो always remember you have to calculate it in cubic decimeter. You cannot leave it in cubic meter. Marks इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा cancel हो जाते हैं कि अगर हम उसे cubic meter में छोड़ के आते हैं तो आधा question incomplete माना जाता है. So always remember to convert it into cubic from cubic meter to cubic decimeter. Next is the length, breadth and height of a room are given. Respectively, find the volume of air contained in the room. I already told you, जब भी किसी क्यूबॉइडल या क्यूब की बात होती है और उसमें अंदर आपसे बोला जाता है कि उसका एयर कंटेंट या फिर वॉल्यूम निकालिए, सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड इट? वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. 8 into 6.5 into 3.5. How can we find out? Simply we have to multiply it. So 8 into 65 upon 10 into 35 upon 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 13. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 13 7s are 91 into 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. This means 182 meter cube. 182 meter cube is contained in, air is contained in the room of cuboidal room of these dimensions. So you just have to simply find out the volume and this will be equal to air contained in that room. Next is a room is in the form of a cuboid of measures 60 into 40 into 30. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of the one box is given? These type of questions we have already discussed. We just have to find the volume of the larger cuboid, the smaller cuboid and then divide them. First, volume of larger cube, or we can say larger cube, or we can also say volume of room. Room का volume कितना है? 60 into 40 into 30. 6 4s are 24. 0 0 into 30. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 7 2 0 0 0. Centimeter cube. Meter cube. Now you have to find the volume of the small box which is already given. अब इसमें कुछ भी calculate करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Volume of the small box is given. Volume of one box is given. What? 0.8 meter cube. और दोनों सेम ही units में है. So the number of boxes कैसे calculate होंगे? Number of boxes equals to 72,000 upon 8 into 10. 8 into 10. So 8 1s is 8. 8 9s are 72. So we will be having how many boxes? 90,000 boxes of the volume already given or dimensions of the room. 90,000 boxes. 90,000 boxes. So this is how we calculate. These type of questions we have already done and these comes in exam. क्या करना है? लार्जर का रूम का वॉल्यूम दिया है, छोटे बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम दिया है, जस्ट डिवाइड देम, यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस रिक्वायर्ड. Next is a rectangular water reservoir contains 42,000 liters of water. Find the depth of the water in the reservoir if the base measures 6 meter by 3.5 meter. Simply एक क्वेश्चन को डेली लाइफ एग्जाम्पल में मोल्ड किया है. हमें वॉल्यूम दिया है, बेस के डिमेंशंस दिए हैं, वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाइट, वी कैन से वी हैव टू फाइंड द डेप्थ बोल सकते हैं उसको. सो वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. Volume is given as 42,000. You have to find the base measures, which is 6 into 3.5 into h. 6 into 3.5 into h. So now when we solve this, h equals to 42,000 upon 6 into 3.5. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42, 0 0 0, 6,000. We get 10,000. 10,000 is the 10,000 meter is the depth. This is not height, this is the depth, which is unknown to us. और जो हमें क्वेश्चन में फाइंड आउट करनी थी, हमें दो बेस मेजर्स दिया है, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ दी हुई थी, हमें हाइट और वी कैन से लेंथ और हाइट दी हुई थी. वी हैव टू फाइंड द डेप्थ. सो डेप्थ इज दिस. सिंपली वॉल्यूम को डिवाइड किया हमने बेस एरिया से, तो हमें क्या मिल गई, डेप्थ मिल गई. नेक्स्ट, the earth taken out from a pit is evenly spread over a rectangular field of length this, width this. If the volume of the earth dug out is this, find the height of the field raised. So it is similar to the question we have done for the, previously. Volume is given how much, 3078 meter cube. 3078 meter cube. Find the height of the field raised. So volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So length is what, 90. Breadth is what, 60. And height is what, height we have to find out. Height we have to find out, and volume is already given. So 3078. So this is how we have to solve. Height equals to 3078 upon 90 into 60. Now solving this, we can solve it by 9 also. 9 3s are 27. Then we have 37. From 3 we can solve 3 7 18. 3 3s are 9 0. 3 1s are 3 0. 3 2s are 6. 1 18. 3 6 are 18. Again 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. Again you can solve by 3 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Again 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. 3 2s are 6 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So now we have 114 upon 10 into 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 1 14. 2 7s are 14. This means the height becomes 0.57 meter. 0.57 meter. When the volume is given, the base is given, that is length and width is given, you just have to find out the height. So these type of questions we have already done, and these only comes in examination basic questions. Next is, what is the weight of the cubical block of ice 50 centimeter in length if 1 cubic meter of ice weighs 900 kilograms? So if one cubical block weighs what, 900 kilograms, then they are asking that what is the weight of the cubical block of ice 50 centimeter in length if 1 cubical meter of ice, 1 cubic meter weighs how much, 900 kilograms. So first of all we have to find the volume so that we can get the total number of cubic meters. So volume of cubical box is a cube. So it becomes 50 into 50 into 50. It becomes 50 into 50 into 50. Or we can also do one thing. The dimension of cube is in centimeter. And It is given in centimeter. Now we have to find it. We have to find it in, if A is given as 50 centimeter and the weight is given in, this means 1 cubic meter weighs this much. This means we have to convert first of all centimeter into meter to convert the volume into cubic meter. अगर 50 सेंटीमीटर को लेके हम इसका वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. लेकिन हमें आंसर में क्या चाहिए, क्यूबिक मीटर. इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, पहले ही इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. A इक्वल्स टू 50 अपॉन 100. We get what? We get 0.5 as our 0.5 meter as the edge of the cube. So 0.5 also, or you can write 1 by 2 also. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, we get 1 by 8. 1 by 8 cubic meter. 1 by 8 cubic meter. Now, if 1 cubic meter weighs 900 kilograms, then 1 by 8 cubic meter weighs how much? 1 by 8 into 900. 1 by 8 into 900. So, how can we take out the total weight? 8 ones are 8, 1 10, 8 ones are 8 again 20, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 twos are 16, 4.5. This means 112.5 kilograms is the weight of the total 50 centimeter cubical box. Total 50 centimeter cubical box. Now next is surface areas of cube and cuboid. Now